Abusia say ya dance your nego abontene. Only excellency the president John Dramani Mahama on the NDC for no. In opposition, they vehemently stood against the purchasing of new presidential jet. But now no. Akoba say ye beto presidential jet mienu. Aje sika ye twa to ho. E de beto two presidential jet na busia enye sika kuma. E no ana kwabe bafo Abronye. Abe clash with Mahama Ato Forson and NDC for no. Me man chire wonu a chire wa adwen amame. E wo comment section. Ayi Penyah block media. Me so say any demo. Obe like video no other my subscribe buttons na be click notification icon for latest update. Na be chire wa adwen da amame. E wo comment section. Me so so baso no share for so enya bi ahwe. E ti wonu nyina ya adwen say Ghana Hanomo, you know, your presidential jet, a condemn, a ball of goods, in fact, and yet, cry, the condition, and yet. But in 2024, MPP for from 2022 ever, and I could for any MPP government, I hate it upset. No, young top presidential jet for fraud. Omo Kambia will now black qua, no, Niamo, and this is for no. Omo sorry against that. Anytime MPP will raise this point, Ablakwa and his boys will come to oppose it.
But the reality is that if that is what the presidency wants, then it means that we need to have a policy or make that conscious decision, whether it's you, the parliamentarians, or the political elite, or as a country, that we need a presidential jet, a new presidential jet. What do you say?
It is clear to me that the charter arrangements that President Akufo-Addo has been pursuing was just to herald this. They were preparing the grounds for this big announcement that a new presidential jet is needed. Let me serve notice that we on the NDC side in Parliament, we have discussed extensively amongst ourselves. We are not going to support this purchase, the purchase of a new aircraft, because of a number of reasons. One, the current presidential jet is fit for purpose. As President George Weah has told us in our faces, it's very fit for purpose. There's nothing wrong with it. Number two, the current presidential jet, if you read the Hansard of 19th March 2008, we were told by the then Defense Minister, who is now National Security Minister, Honorable Kandapa, that our jet has a 20-year lifespan after it arrives. It arrived in October 2010. It's done barely 11 years. Next month it will be 11 years. We are nowhere near 2030, where you can start discussing a new aircraft.
On several occasions, even in Parliament House, Obeho press conference, and you know, Akufo-Addo took even with the commercial jet crana, Ablakwa betra press conference. No, obechidemu. Jet when Akufo-Addo F2 kwano. One be I say Ghana say a carry near boys obesessing. You knew not oyen figure if but not obesessing. Emma on several occasions, and is for almost standing against the purchasing of the new presidential jet. Mugaza almost NTC. Ghana in South Africa had no more. Ghana presidential jet and no air camera as our one didn't estimate. Presidential jet ya aka e Africa hen there's no need say you better from
Africa memu presidential jet e wo Africa edimu pa si ehwehwe be se miensa Ghana ka ho em South Africa ni kuro ba ko bi e no mo de no esen Ghana enu nti enetimi ye mampani bi fe e ma obesre Ghana say mumfa mo wiem hyen ne mame na memfa ntu kwan because it is fit for purpose.
But interestingly, and this for instance, top presidential jet. Emma and CMU, Ato Forson already budget and through the corridors of gossip. But I hate it on the social media. Said His Excellency the President John Dramani Mahama on the end is the phone. Going to be say Ombese Omogoto presidential jet. Mianumwa Omogoto mienu. Mienu na yakotono. Ebebo Ghana ka $1.2 billion. This is not cedis. $1 billion. $1.2 billion. Yeah, they got two presidential jets. Hey, Ghana, you was go. Ya shada so. Ghana. Ya shada so. You was go say tam. Ya shada so. And I was even making some calculations. Obe Yasimua. President mienu And when it comes to Air Force, omuo, strong presidential jet. And no air dene. America President Donald Trump or Kanhubi. Anna Vladimir Putin, Russian President. America President Donald Trump, the presidential jet no, it cost as low as $100 million. America presidential jet, Donald Trump the jet, it cost as low as $100 million. Vladimir Putin, Russian President, the presidential jet, it cost little over $500 million. Next, okay, Vladimir Putin crown jet mienu bomwa, ebe cost $1 billion flat. Oka Trump jet mienu bomwa, $200 million. But Ghana you go to mienu, it will you go to mienu no ebe cost $1.2 billion. And you know say, no matter what, Ghana yentim kunya presidential jet here, strong and more secured than the jet of Donald Trump and the jet of Vladimir Putin. See that. Yenya engineers bia bomunya jet maya jet no, it will be more secured and more weaponized than Vladimir Putin's jet. See that. Oh boy. You bet you see Kedi. You bet you boy Eden aye baller goods aye condemn Eddie man. I got some of Jimmy. Oh money made you in Ghana. You discard a quack. You go chew. Na eno. And I come about Abronye. What very reactive to that? Nene, what class with Eddie's for the pay.
I mean, can't want someone check. Ghana for now, fan quad dream. Namu miss someone who say presidential jet. Ah, yeah, quack and then the other armed forces no for no bino. Yes, some kai. 2010-2012 Penyah ye kwa nam so investigation ba mu and brother 190 hun sensem no ne bo no enne President Mahama biem ne penso alupra ye kwa de abra oman no omo say ebe koso ye $1.2 billion. Esunchen sika na no wo aban mu ba ko na okwaje free IMF no $1.2 billion alupri presidential jet ye kwa akoto $1.2 billion yede oman bia ni ho oman bia ni wiase ha ode $1.2 billion akoto presidential jet oman bia ni wiase ya. Even Donald Trump, the presidential jet to Oyusu, Russia, President Putin, the presidential jet to Oyusua, Onam Yema Obiantime and attacking no. A nuru $300 million. Because a real siha no a Russia and America and I think South Korea woman panyini woman kita presidential jet ya ne boarding na ayi woman no pre so nam wiemu a wodi ntokwasia na alupre na ye ready say ewiemu no ono beko because bibia wom bombu bia ese ewo presidential jet no mu no ewom mumisa Ghana for say $1.2 billion no bombu sen ene shema o mampanyini tu kwan na se binu ba beto ahye ne so o mo de be fight ba kokura nim normal presidential jet here. That me benya sika to bi no. Normal presidential jet here. Me afrase to susu. Ah me am pesa me to me yi na matwere ho presidential jet. Me am I am president na me de nam. Ye kwa to presidential jet for Oman Ghana. $1.2 billion. Me throw challenge. Ama andis ya bang a President Mahama Nedano. So, oh, mommy, 2 countries. I will reassess her. Wamato presidential jet here. Akwaso mine $2 billion, $1 billion. Wamo mommy, 2 countries, even one. Even one. Mommy be. Even one country. Our matter presidential jet here. Akwaso ye. $1 billion. Or maya fena. Ye fife. Na ye frey a developing country. Na ye developed country. Because America, Russia, Paris, Australia, UK, Germany, and in Yakeka, omo ye developed countries. Omo ye developed countries. And to a mono crown koto presidential jet here. Akwaso a minor $1.2 billion. But yeah, you do a much yeah, fefero. Ye kwako top press because Ghana for betria. Because ye the bad. Ye nimkwana ye the taxes beto Ghana for so no matria. Inti yankwato. A buona to senkra, let's go and buy. And on that one. Presidential jet. Ye koto presidential jet $1.2 billion. And so you see a niska befa nurse for. Ye nisika befa teacher for. Ye nisika betuya contractors ka. Ye nisika be complete hospitals. Ako fuado start ye. Ewo maimuha. Nti ye de embago ato nurse ni teacher for so. But aba nkrona anya $1.2 billion. Oso mi kota lupri e de aba o mainum. Producer bobo mo video so no ene nsem o mo kekan.
I mean, he's more interested in flying in private jets and speaking in Cockney accent. But when it comes to the real job, he's clueless.
Presidential jetta ewo Africa edi mu pa. Si ehwehwe be se miensa Ghana ka ho. Enu nti ene timi ye mampani bi fe. E ma obesre Ghana se mumfa mo wiem hyen ne mame na memfa ntu kwan. Because it is fit for purpose.
On renting luxurious aircrafts for presidential travel at a time when the state of Ghana has a fully fitted and airworthy executive jet that can ferry the president anywhere in this world. And I know because I use that aircraft. Professor Mills used that aircraft.
The president is renting luxurious jets at cost of sometimes $20,000 per hour, $14,000 per hour.
On renting luxurious aircrafts for presidential travel at a time when the state of Ghana has a fully fitted and airworthy executive jet that can ferry the president anywhere in this world. And I know because I use that aircraft. Professor Mills used that aircraft. On renting luxurious aircrafts for presidential travel at a time when the state of Ghana...
Nediana ne hear me because ono na mampanyini. Ni anenkura akeka na kire ni bia ye fa na monguo. Yamfa mampanyini ni statement nkwa video no sisi ye. O say 2024 ya o. Otimi ka kire Ghana for say any attend by Akufo-Addo Bawumia government so mo kwa akoto presidential jet bia no one person mu wi asika di eye krono because Ghana your presidential jet no enye hwe enti boni be na Ghana fo aye say ye wo presidential jet na Nana-Addo ne Bawumia so mo kwa akoto foforo enti Ghana fo to abama ono President Mahama no ba presidential jet na Nana-Addo yes o kwa akoto no oba obetwam sanse Ghana de no enye hwe enei Nana-Addo presidential jet akoba beto no President Mahama ba ye no ebo no a increase times 50 wa double bo no ama bo na akosoro asana akosoro biem presidential jet na Nana-Addo danko Akufo-Addo ka so beta President Mahama in 2024 ka say presidential jet no enye hwe na ye so lezoro say no odi tu kwan Ghana, we still have a luxurious presidential jet. Enti ya to abama na mane be president ya. MPP pese ye bo mine kakwa. Na Ghana fo mpie waka ento abama wono President Mahama. No di nkunima presidential jet no obetwam ye nya nkonkoto because Ghana presidential jet no enye hwe e fe dodo e wa ahodene dodo. Enei eboa na nanado aban anka ko akoto 2024 nanado kofie na auto presidential jet on the betenam no on the betenam and so President Mahama so ba obetwam sanse Ghana presidential jet na nyehwe and na me na mo ka sei eboa na nanka nanado aban ade ko akoto presidential jet no nanka presidential jet no beba 2026 sanka parliament jitu muto no 2024 say enkoto a nka beba 2026 that time na nado wen and so President Mahama nanum asem e kire se na nado pese owie o man no Ghana fo abre ne atoto na ma Ghana fo ntiase o ma NDC minority fo ntiase ne ntiase ochena into a mumontungu because we have a luxurious presidential jet. No ba obetwa sade enum ye nyankoto ene ye kwakoto de ni bo no ye nanado de ne times 50 producer sambo no voice ni biem na de dodo sambo President Mahama voice na de dodo
on renting luxurious aircrafts for presidential travel at a time when the state of Ghana has a fully fitted and airworthy executive jet that can ferry the president anywhere in this world. And I know because I use that aircraft. On renting luxurious aircrafts for presidential travel at a time when the state of Ghana has a fully fitted and airworthy executive jet that can ferry the president anywhere in this world. And I know because I use that aircraft. Professor Mills used that aircraft. On renting luxurious aircrafts for presidential travel at a time when the state of Ghana has a fully fitted and airworthy executive jet that can ferry the president anywhere in this world. And I know because I use that aircraft. Professor Mills used that aircraft.
The president is renting
yeah. Enti anana da ho no mumisa se dia na asi 2024 your presidential jet ne ho odene na ono kura na oyusu nti enye hwe abosomi duntam ye kwa akoto ebia ne bo esu chen ne nanka abandanda ne nto satan 50 and na 1.2 billion dollars na ese mfa nkoto e Ghana for nansem
hey Kanye Ghana for na muni mi say budgeter finance minister editor parliament na watwe mu no e wo mu say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ni NDC government omo kwa koto plane makumako 4 ai plane na akufo adoka say ayesei no kwa koto bi na NDC for so mo mpene mane nto no ene omo kwa koto plane makumako 4 omo koto one presidential jet Omakoto one helicopter for the president. How do you two coin internally? No, I use presidential jet. No, they two coin internationally. No, I thought two pe at the amount of Ghana Armed Forces. Now, sa two no the Ghana Armed Forces no or sign be used to aside the air travels into be used to national military no at the air traveling machine. Momientie honorable in team for Joe. Our the ranking member. Our the Defense and Interior Committee. Our Parliament. Nisama okay. Here we are. The ohoni beka to aso.
No, military is a fighting force. Okay. They need fighter jets. Military is a fighting force. Instead of you to buy them fighter jets, you are going to buy your own luxury jet, helicopter that will fly your president and the ministers around. What about the soldiers? What fighter jets are they going to use as a fighting force? So instead of you to prioritize the urgent critical needs, you rather prioritize what you use to fly around.
Ghana for if you say so ma yonko ntwankwa nso ntwanu na Akufo-Addo ka say eya plane yi eho abasem enye momianto foforo mo twene na Akufo-Addo sre ene abasa e wo krom ha ena plane ba kokoteto ye de etuayonko ho a etuaduam nti ene ye ti Ghana sika taxpayers money abra nurses for aya adwuma ye ntua omoka teachers aya adwuma ye ntua omoka ye di sika e kwa koto plane ye me yakra ne se nkasika mfa koto fighter jet no ko mfa ma ye military no mutimi fan fight e bia ye nya problem and I say any external aggression ba on be use no ye di koto helicopter any presidential jet abetenam krom ha akwa ba be shiga na sika ama taxpayers e command ye abra nurses any teachers egufia ye ntua omoka said ye pe ana ye saka no namaste
Chire wadwe mame e wo comment section ayi Penyah Block Media akra